With the advancement of technology, many old methods of learning has transformed to digital mode. We will create connecting the dots digitally.
Inserting a dotted picture as slide background. Download or draw a dotted picture and copy. Right click the slide, select Format Background, Picture or Texture Fill, Picture Source as Clipboard. Adjust the picture to fit into the slide by changing the offset left, offset right, offset top and offset bottom. Inserting dots on the picture and renaming. Insert a shape circle, resize, change the fill color and outline color of your choice. Duplicate and place it on the dots of the picture. Repeat this process until all the dots are covered. Go to Save Format at the selection pane and change the name of the created dots as P1, P2, P3 until P16. Creating covers for dots. Insert a shape rectangle as covers, resize. Duplicate it and place it all over the dots and numbers. Select all the covers, right click, format object and set the transparency to 100%. Shape outline as no outline. Then rename all the covers as C1, C2, C3 up to C16.
For dot 2, the cover name is C1. For dot 3, cover name is C2, and so on.
Adding number names. Insert a shape, rounded rectangle and edit text as number name. Format the text and background of your choice. Place it near the number and duplicate it and type in all the numbers in this example from 1 to 16. Go to Shape Format, Selection pane and rename all the number names as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 16. Record the number name and save it as .wave format, 1.wave, 2.wave, etc. Draw lines for connecting the dots. Click the Draw tab, select pen of your choice and start connecting all the dots. Renaming the lines. Select the line from 1 to 2, go to the selection pane and rename the line as line 1 2, line 2 3, etc. Adding animation for lines. From the selection pane, hide all the objects except the lines. Select all the lines and give entrance swipe animation. Select each line and change the direction of animation effect. Animation for number names. Now only show the number names in selection pane. Select all the number names and give entrance shape animation and change the effect option out. Animation for covers. Now hide all other objects and show only the covers in the selection pane. Select all the covers and give exit fade animation. Then click on show all. The objects will be visible in the slide. Adding sounds to number names. Select entrance animation for one. Click on effect options, effect, enhancements as sound, other sound, and select the one dot wave. Similarly, repeat this for all animations until 16.
Select all the number names entrance animation from animation pane and change to start with previous. Select all the exit animation for covers and change to start after previous. Finally, assign the triggers. Select the line from 1 to 2, cover of the next point, point 3, and the number names. Assign these 3 to a trigger. That go to advanced animation, trigger, on click of P2. Under the trigger, you will see all the animations. Similarly, repeat the process of assigning triggers for lion, cover, and number names for all the remaining points. This activity engages learners to learn numbers with fun.